Welcome back to another Vlogtober episode. Hi, my name is Carrie. If you're new here, I am the owner at Daisy Boutique, where I sell all things cute, joyful, and bright. In today's Vlogtober episode, I wanted to do a what's in my work bag with y'all and show y'all some of the things that I keep with me on a day-to-day basis. First, I have to show you all the bag, of course. This is the XXL beach bag that I used to have for sale on my website. And if any of y'all are interested, I can definitely bring this back. But this bag is absolutely huge. And I keep everything in it. I have a bunch of bags inside of a bag. Let's be real. I, of course, have my MacBook Pro in here. I did a video on unboxing this, so y'all know all about that. I do also want to do a MacBook tour for y'all, so if you're interested in seeing that, drop in the comments. Let's see your MacBook. I also, of course, keep my iPad Air in there. This thing pretty much goes with me everywhere that I don't take my MacBook, but I usually keep both of them with me because I use them interchangeably. And you can also use the iPad as a second monitor to your MacBook. If you didn't know, now you know. Keep in there my tech bag. This has pretty much all of my life. If I were to ever lose this bag and I'm working on content and things, I wouldn't know what to do. So that's why I take it everywhere with me. So if I take it everywhere with me, I know where it is. It has my SD cards. I have a little portable fan. I love writing, jotting notes down, so I love to keep pens with me. This is the Sharpie S Gel. This is the Uniball Vision Elite, the Pilot G2, and this is the XSG Metallic Color Pen. I use all of these pens for different reasons. They all write different but the same. If you are a writer, you know what I mean. If you use pens all day, you know what I mean. When I was working at the doctor's office, that's what got me hooked on pens. My boss, she was a tool pen girl and she loved pens. So when she gave me my very first pack of tool pens, I fell in love. I don't have one right now, and I haven't bought any recently since I have all of these other pens that I need to use up, but I love pens. If you have a pen that you want to send it to me because I will use that thing every day. I take pretty much all of my tech everywhere with me because I like to work. I like to work wherever I am, whenever I get a chance. I work. Take my Razer microphone. This will be tagged on my bendable, of course. It's from Amazon. It's the pink Razer Siren V2 or something like that. But I love this color. It's my favorite color. It's that bubblegum pink. And I've been using this for my voiceovers for the last 2 or 3 months since I bought it. So if you like the quality of my voiceovers, this is the mic for you. I think it was like 40 bucks. It was a worthwhile investment for me because it was cute and it was so many great reviews on it, and they also have a bunch of different other colors of this. And I think they also make like headphones and a keyboard and all of that to match this. I don't need that right now. Maybe one day, but not right now. I, of course, keep my keys in my bag. I have this really cute charm that my boyfriend got me off of Amazon of a little bunny rabbit. And then this is the plush bow keychain that I offer on my website. My wallet. I love this Coach wallet, by the way. I want to find a nice bright colored one. So if you have any suggestions on a Coach wallet or even any kind of wallet, let me know down in the comment box if you have a suggestion. Of course, keep some gum. I take gum everywhere. You never know when you need gum. I'm one of those girls that like to have stuff just in case. My glasses case for my Lens Smart glasses. These are brand new. I keep my old one, and I also have my lens wipe in here. If I ever need to clean my glasses or if I need to clean my lens on my camera or on my phone, then I already have it readily available. Next, I keep in this really cute pocket mirror. I made this mirror. I would love to offer these on my website again. These are just the Cutie Charm mirrors. It's a Real Techniques mirror that I bedazzled. This goes everywhere. You never know when you need to take a look, and you don't even have to open this one because it's a mirror on the outside too. So if you need just a quick look, this is the girl for you. This is my little bag of makeup that I take everywhere with me. I'm gonna do a separate what's in my makeup bag video for you guys that are are interested in makeup or like makeup content from me. This is what I wear on a day-to-day basis. I don't really have anything on right now besides some moisturizer and some lip gloss. I didn't do my makeup just yet today, but I will be doing that with this makeup. I keep all kinds of products. The lip gloss that I like to wear is from the hair store. It's the Broadway lip gloss, and the one that I have on right now is the Vita Lip Coconut Oil. I have a few other things in here like the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush and several other things that I will show you guys in my what's in my makeup bag video. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see that video. I also keep my AirPod in this bag. I'm not gonna go into detail because it's a lot of things and it's just the stuff that I use for content creation. You'll see all of these products linked in my Bendable, of course. I also usually keep in there my camera and my light. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite item in this video was. I think my favorite item is my Razer mic. I love the quality on this so much that I will forever suggest this mic to anybody. This mic is tea, okay? That is everything that I keep in my day-to-day work bag as a 26-year-old online boutique owner. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.